Welcome to Fun with Jane Tarp. Today we're doing Nailed It. In Nailed It, we're going to be copying desserts that adults make. They end up being kind of crazy. I'm Harmony, and I won last round, so now I'm the judge. Yes! Let's see who can... Winners! Nail it with a hammer!
Let's meet the contestants.
Hi guys, my name is Peto Cake, and this is my first episode on Nailed It with Jaden and Harmony. I'm in 8th grade, and my experience with baking is 5 years with my mom. My favorite thing that I've ever made in the kitchen was some star-shaped red cookies for my brother's 4th birthday, and I'm gonna nail it today.
I'm so glad to be doing a Nailed It challenge with my cousins and my brother, and now I know where that star-shaped cookie cutter came from. But I've been my baking experience is 6 years. I've been baking a lot. I'm almost a professional baker. My first bake was this 3-tier cake, strawberries and buttercream frosting in the middle, and it was absolutely phenomenal. And I'm gonna nail it.
Hi, I'm Jay. Last time I did well, but I couldn't quite win against Harmony. This time I'm hoping to prove my worth. And I'm gonna nail it. Baker's Choice, Baker's Choice, Baker's Choice. For Baker's Choice, you guys are gonna get to make cookies. I decorated this cookie. You guys are gonna get to choose free cookies that we've already baked to decorate. Here's the free choices.
What is this?
What did you get?
A circle.
An egg.
I got a circle.
You got an egg.
I think I got a carrot.
I got a bunny. Why did you choose the carrot?
Well, I wanted to go with a hard one, but I think going with pretty much easy ones will probably ensure my tactic of winning.
Jaden, why did you take the bunny? Because I thought I'd do a really good job doing a bunny. Why did you pick the Easter egg?
Because it was the last one.
Shut up. You guys have to share these frosties. You've got 7 minutes on the clock.
Go! I do not have enough time to decorate this carrot really well. I need red.
Why not orange?
I don't think these have a lot of frosting inside.
Yeah.
There's definitely no frosting black. Frosted tip. You might be able to get some frosting out with these toothpicks.
Okay.
No. Okay, well, guess I'm using that brush.
Keep in mind the judges have to eat these, so
Oh.
Sorry, judges.
Absolutely not.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sorry.
I'm gonna use all the red and everybody's gonna be mad at me.
I'm not.
I think I ruined it. Where's the frosting hole?
1 minute warning.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I think I did good.
Uh-oh. We're done.
20 seconds.
Oh,
You gotta be kidding me.
5,
I have a nice
4,
carrot to go with your
3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Cookies on the platter. Cookies. You have red carrot, so you did real good. But except for the part of the eye that's smudged. Okay, so then what's this?
Easter egg. With white on the top, undecorated, then you have the orange and red. Yeah.
I think you did real good. The winner of this round is Jaden. What?
I think you picked it just because it was a rabbit.
Golden Baker's hat. The person who needs the most help is Inferno Cake because his stuff went running and it's just all like that. Inferno Cake gets this button, which will make the other 2 opponents have to look for those Easter egg baskets until they find the golden egg. There's 12 minutes on the clock, so while they're digging for the eggs, they're to lose time. Nail it or fail it. Fail it. Ready to meet your next challenge.
Yep.
Oh,
No,
it's
not really. Not really.
This is your kit. This is the kit. Here's what you have to make.
Go!
Gosh. I pretty much already failed. Panic, panic, panic.
Seriously?
Panic.
What's wrong?
I threw my Twinkie.
So what?
That's not so what I
I
posted it
can't
out.
help you with that.
When I took my Twinkie out of the wrapper, it broke. I'm just gonna mold it back together.
You just wasted your panic.
Oh, come on.
Sorry.
You're so
I'm out.
evil. You betrayal. This doesn't even have a wrapper on it. I'm opening all the special ones now.
I need to get back to breaking this thing.
We're getting absolutely nothing.
Got it.
Seriously?
Are you?
Seriously.
Pretty fast.
This is so much betrayal.
Do I want to peep or?
It's gonna be somewhere.
Guys, you can do whatever color.
Finally.
The last one.
Yes.
Are you serious?
I finished mine in 5 minutes, guys.
Panic. I'm trying to figure out how.
Take that pencil out.
I thought I needed.
You're supposed to. Do you have pencils in already?
Yeah.
Then you put these M&Ms on.
How?
Thank you. I eat my delicious creation.
I finished it in like 5 minutes. Come on, guys.
I'm done.
I'm not.
Oh no, my peep! I only noticed it at the last moment. I'm done. Oh, we're all done? This is my creation on Nailed It. I kind of wish I didn't put the hubcaps on sideways. This is my peep driving a Twinkie, and I nailed it.
I like how you did the wheels.
Thank you.
Different colors. Your hubcaps are sideways from the tires. Oh yeah, you like it, Jaden. Ooh, Jaden, you did real good, but Jaden, your tire things are slipping. I noticed that yours is up in the right shape, unlike.
I'm pretty sure I did really good on the first round, but the second round, maybe not. But I definitely nailed it.
You got in a wreck, so there is a crack in the middle. Looks like you've got all the elements. It's a little bit smushed up, and you have an extra peep. It's cute, but it doesn't match our model.
Nobody noticed that we have smaller tires in the front.
So Jaden, you're the winner. Yay! Bye, thanks for watching. Happy Easter! Thanks for watching.
Oh no!
What happened?
Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain.
Yours looks like it popped its tires off because it got ran over a porcupine.
1 minute warning.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
If that's still videotaping, please edit this whole thing out.
Yay!
Those faces.
Good March. That was nice.
Don't be videotaping. By the time I got done searching through the basket, I had like 30 seconds. No.
Let's see who can. Come here! Nail it! Please go and check out our other Nailed It. It is Halloween nailed it. It's real good and funny.